The process begins at the source. Only the most hydrated and structurally sound watermelons are selected. Harvest.
The process begins with precision induction, where raw harvest is integrated into the automated workflow. Precision is paramount. Every fruit is scanned by dual-axis lasers and weighed to the gram, ensuring only precision automation ensures maximum yield. Specialized blades strip the protective rind in seconds, exposing the Each unit undergoes a rigorous visual assessment. Trained operators ensure only the most vibrant, To ensure zero waste and maximum flavor profile, the remaining pulp undergoes a secondary high-pressure extraction.
Stage 20, centrifugal separation. To ensure a premium, silk-smooth texture, the juice is subjected.
Precision is paramount. Every batch is tested for its Brix level, ensuring the natural sugar content meets our rigorous standards for consistent flavor and quality.
Is critical. Precision tapping is critical. The automated capping system aligns and feeds thousands of seals per hour.
Precision is paramount. Every bottle undergoes a vacuum integrity test. Any seal that fails to meet the exact pressure To ensure product integrity, an automated applicator applies tamper-evident shrink bands to the neck of every bottle at millisecond intervals.
Thermal induction ensures a tamper-evident seal, shrinking the protective film to the bottle's exact geometry in milliseconds. Tools. To ensure perfect label adhesion and prevent secondary contamination, high-velocity air knives strip away residual.
The bundled units pass through a precision heat tunnel, where the PE film shrinks to secure the bottles into a durable, transport-ready package.
Bell. Every multi-pack is assigned a unique digital identity. Automated labeling systems apply high-resolution barcodes.
Before the batch is cleared for distribution, random samples undergo rigorous microbiological and chemical analysis.
In the microbiology lab, every batch undergoes rigorous testing. By cultivating samples in controlled environments,
The logistics phase begins as the central system processes incoming orders, synchronizing inventory data with global. Integrity is the final step. Every shipment is secured with high tensile seals, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken from our floor to the consumer's hand. From the precision of the assembly line to the hands of the consumer, every bottle is a testament to automated perfection and rigorous quality standards.
The final link in the chain. Every bottle carries the clinical precision of a facility, the consumer.
From the precision of the harvest to the rigors of the lab, the journey ends here. Pure,